Hello everyone, welcome to Cybersecurity Professional Web Application Security Testing Training. Myself Vishwa, a cybersecurity professional with 16 plus years of experience holding few industry top-notch certifications. Why web application security testing is important? In today's digital age, web applications power everything from social media to online banking. But with increasing reliance on these platforms, the threat to security are growing faster than ever. Have you ever wondered how cybercriminals exploit vulnerabilities? How businesses lose millions of dollars due to security breaches? You can be the one to stop these attacks before they happen. Cybersecurity is a future proof career. Every organization needs security professionals. There are over 2 million unfilled cybersecurity jobs globally. Cybersecurity is an essential business function with a little impact from economic changes. Companies are seeking experts to protect their systems from security vulnerabilities. What you will learn from this course? In this course, you will master everything that an application security engineer requires to protect their organizational assets. We'll start from very basic things like what is a web application architecture, web application components, and the technologies used to build the web application. And then we'll try to understand the basic concepts of security like confidentiality, integrity, availability. We'll understand what is an authentication, what is an authorization, what is the difference between these two, what is an what is an HTTP request, how an HTTP response will look like, what are the different HTTP methods, what is cryptography, what is validations, and software development life cycles, threat modeling, and slowly we'll progress towards secure testing process and their methodology, followed by OWASP top 10 vulnerabilities. Nothing but Open Web Application Security Project vulnerabilities. Apart from these top 10 vulnerabilities, we'll try to understand or practice authentication related vulnerabilities, authorization related vulnerabilities, session management related vulnerabilities, and configuration related vulnerabilities. During this course, we'll also master few of the secure testing tools like Web Suite, SQL Map, Nmap, and SSLIs, a very commonly used tools which every security professional has to know. Followed by, we'll also learn how to generate or prepare a report. Let's say we have found few vulnerabilities on the given application, and then now we have to report that particular findings. Now, how we are going to rate that particular vulnerability, how we are going to rate the risk, whether it is a critical vulnerability, high vulnerability, medium or low vulnerability. We will learn everything during this course. And this is an open to all course, no prior knowledge is required. If you are a fresher, begin your career in one of the most secure fields. If you are a developer, enhance your skills by incorporating security into your applications. If you are an IT professional planning for a career switch, then transition your career into cybersecurity. Application security testing is a high demand skill set that opens doors to lucrative careers in industries like banking, finance, healthcare, and e-commerce. Cybersecurity professionals earn 30% more than their peers in other IT fields. To get more information on the course curriculum and batch start dates, please reach out to valaxytechnologies@gmail.com or learnings@valaxy.in. Thank you.